Today, we are going to coat the windshield with GTECHNIQ G1. Let's go! My windshield is so crappy in the rain. I have to put Rain-X every other wash, or sometimes just after one wash, just to, get good vision. So we're gonna coat it now. I was supposed to wait to get my plate so I can take this crappy sticker off, but no, I think I'm gonna just coat it, and then if the plate comes, I'm just gonna take it out and put it on again. Let me get the things that we need, and here's what we're gonna use. A couple of microfiber towels for wipe off. We have our product, Smart Glass Clear Vision from GTECHNIQ, and then we're gonna use G4 to polish it up. We have IPA that's been cut down. This is 70% solution, but I cut it down 50-50 with water, distilled water. I have carpet eraser for a good wipe down. For polishing, I watched and it says just to use the hand, but this windshield is very nasty for my standards, so I'm gonna try my best to use this. I asked Joffrey from Reflections Car Care. He said just use a DA, we'll be fine. Oh, if you guys are wondering, you can get this from GTECHNIQ Philippines. I will leave a link in the description below. Reflections Car Care is the man. Now, I think we're gonna start with the cleaning, and then we're gonna do the polishing. Now that we have it clean, it's time to polish. So I'm just gonna do quick passes, since if it's good by hand, that means it's overkill for the machine. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit it real quick. Okay, it's clean. I'm not sure if you noticed, but I took some time here because of the wiper marks. So I was in the middle part where this thing ends and where this thing ends. So now we're gonna coat it. Let's see what's in the box. We have 1 minute. We have our lint-free applicators. We have G2, and then we have G1. So G1 first, and then remove it with G2. Let's get to it. Yep, so now we're gonna do 2 coats of G1. No, sorry, 3 coats. 5 minutes in between. Oh, don't forget to wear gloves. Let's just wet it. 1, 2, 3. I think that's good. Let's see. 5 minutes and reapply. Time for a smoke. Let me bring you in first. Yep, that's how it looks like. Oops, sorry for the camera work. 5 minutes. I'm now gonna do the second coat, but I'm using my phone, so no time lapse for this session, for this coat. Maybe later, on the final coat. Just some perspective. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, and that is the sun rising from the east. That is the east, goes up to the west, and back to coating. My door is open. Yeah, I'm now going to do the final coat. It says to leave the last coat for 15 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Make sure this last coat is good. That's it, guys. The next step is gonna be wait for 15 minutes. Use G2 with the applicator pad and buff it off. That's what I'm gonna do because I listened to the instructions on YouTube and from the guy that got me this. Yes. That's how it looks like. We now have to wait. I'm gonna leave the other windows untreated so that I can see, or we can see, what's going on. I'll just probably post the update on Instagram, so be sure to follow me there. Time to put the buff off. We're gonna use just a regular Kirkland towel. Put the gloves on. Need to get another applicator. And this time we're gonna use G2. Shake it up. Before I do that, it is recommended to put some on your wiper blades so that it's good contact. Now we have the residue removal. Here, video here. Right. May cause drowsiness, or dizziness. Sorry, the camera died, so I applied 2 coats to the windshield wipers, and now we have G1 on the windshield. I'm gonna show you what I see without that, and then I'll end the video, and then just stay tuned for the next car wash so that you can see the water behavior. Thanks. I'm so tired and dizzy because of the G2. I'm kidding. Just please subscribe if you enjoy the video and like this video if you liked it. That's it for me. Bye. Bye guys.